It's from desk of Utalatabari Hindi High School. Today we are discussing about the summer project held in 19th May 2023, abiding by the order of Education Department. The motto was to make students aware about the surroundings, the industries, the health centers and the people residing in remote areas. It was some golden moment beyond indulging in books, surrounded by four walls. There is an old saying, I read, I forget. I see, I remember. I do, I understand. Keeping in mind, we set off with the students of class 8, 9, 10, 5 from each section, with class teachers and interested academic staffs. First, we visited a museum to understand environmental changes, to find out species not seen these days, and other antique things expressing the heritage, the wealthy past. In museum, there were portraits of local famous authors and artists too. We were quite influenced by the social worker who helped a lot to establish the museum in such a remote area. After that, we decided to visit tea industry as International Tea Day was close. We interacted with staffs helping us to explain the whole process from leaf plucking to tea packaging. We discussed about its marketing also. We talked to workers and wanted to know about their daily activities, way of living, and the things they feel they have missed in their life. Next, we visited a health center, family planning office, counseling center, where not only physical but psychological problems were also treated. They elaborately discussed the momental impulsive thoughts may be fatal sometimes. Problems of dropout children or those deprived of proper educations were also discussed. Students were happy to know to get so many information they missed till date, though living among the same surrounding. Other visit was in nearby villages, socio-economic problems, health and hygiene of villagers, their unawareness of various government schemes were also discussed. The problems, the challenges they are dealing with, we find that they have limited knowledge about the most essential things like the proper age of marriage and interaction properly for their rights and responsibilities. Dwars, particularly the Kalchini block, is an unique place, maybe called Mini India, as various caste communities like Hindu, Muslims, Sikh, Christian, Buddhist, Rava, and Totos, the most indigenous community, lives in the area. It was very nice to talk to them, to know about their way of living, their problems, their challenges, and particularly the socio-economic conditions, which is very pathetic somewhere, more labor and less profit. Now it's time of very exciting lunch. As students were happy to get chicken biryani with their peers, teachers in that beautiful surroundings. While lunch we discussed about waste management, proper disposal of plastics, bottles, foils, feeding of street animals, and providing water for birds in lynching heat. Last but not least, we get feedback from our students. Teachers guided them of their project work. We come together in a school from where we had started and bid goodbye with smiling face, with a vow to plant as many saplings as possible. Students were more than happy, expressed their hope for next similar trip with new vigor. Thank you.